Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Before we start, please stand up, everyone. And Crystalline and Doy need a prayer. Let us pray. Ang manang manakaw sa tutasan sa kalangitan, sa nanangan, at pasalamat kami kako sa inyong kaalingan ng panahon. At samtang kami karon magasugod sa mga klase, ang magyami wa ikaw makituban ka namo, maghahatag sa langit ng nakaalam at libalo, na kini amo kini masabtan. Kung kini ang diyang tulong may madawat sa kalan ng Kristo, ang personal Jesus. Amen. So, okay, sit down everyone. So, before we proceed, watch how do the student when the teacher is discussing. Yes, Ivy.
Sit properly, ma'am.
Yes, very good. What else? Yes, Ayan.
Listen.
Yes, very good. So, how about when you want to ask or answer? Ayan.
Raise your hand.
Very good. So now, before we start, I have an activity. So activity number 1 is answer the question carefully and choose the answer correctly. So number 1, what is the rule from this pattern? 32, 36, 40, and 44. Letter A, add 4. Letter B, multiple 2. Letter C, subtract 4. Letter D, divided by 2. What is the answer? Yes, Giselle.
A and 4, ma'am.
Yes, very good. The number 2 is, what is the sixth term in the following sequence? 11, 15, 19, and 23 blank. Then the question mark is mauna inyong answeran. A, 30, B, 27, C, 31, D, 32. What is the answer? Yes, Annalyn and Doy.
C, 31, ma'am.
Yes, very good. The number 3 is identify the common difference. 97, 86, 75, and 64. A, 8, B, 11, C, negative 11, D, negative 8. What is the answer? Yes, Ivy.
C.
Yes, very good. The correct answer is letter C, negative 11. The last number is number 4. What is the 10th term of the sequence on 20 minus n? What is the answer, class? Yes, Crystalline and Doy. Yes, very good. So now, let's proceed the activity number 2. 4 pics, 1 word. Find the connection among the 4 pictures to find out the mystery word. Try to guess the correct word by analyzing the picture. Please raise your hand if you answer, class. So, find out the picture, class. What is the answer? Yes, Ayan.
Pattern, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So, pattern ang answer. Then, our lesson for today, lesson objective is, please everyone read the objectives.
A. Determine missing values from given patterns and extend given patterns. B. Analyze pattern in a real life. C. Compute the given patterns and sequences using basic operation of mathematics. D. Solve and apply the patterns and sequences.
So, for you, Crystalline and Doy, what is pattern and sequence?
Pattern, ma'am, is refer to usual types of procedures or rules that can be followed. And then, a sequence is mauni siya ang arrangement of numbers.
Yes, very good, Crystalline and Doy. So, can identify naman ni Crystalline and Doy ang pattern and sequence. So, let's proceed the activity number 3. So, ang activity number 3 is i-identify between column A and column B, then select the answer if the figure of pattern or sequence. Kung kana siya, pattern ba na siya or sequence. So, this class, what is this?
Sequence.
sequence. How about this?
Sequence.
Yes.
Patterns.
Yes. Very good sa ako mga estudyante.
Patterns. Sequence. Patterns. Sequence.
So, very good class. Now, our discussion for this morning is about patterns and sequence. So, patterns and sequence. A sequence is an ordered list of number or other elements like geometry object that often follow a specific pattern. The individual elements in a sequence are called terms. There is an obvious pattern such as sequence can be expressed in terms of the nth term equals 2n. To find the first term, put n equals 1 into the formula. To find the fourth term, replace the n by 4s. Fourth term equals 2x times 4 equals 8. So, the example is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then 8, 3, 14, and 25. So, 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So, this is the example of sequence. So, very good. So, this, kining tulo kadat, mauni siya ang patterns. While kaning mga number, mauni siya ang sequence. So, let's have the example class. So, example number 1. Example number 1. Write the first 5 terms of a sequence described by the general terms E sub n equals 3 sub n plus 2. So, naara siya ang example class. Mauni siya ang solusyon. E sub n equals 3 sub n plus 2. So, A sub 1 equals 3 times 1 plus 2 equals 5. Then, E sub 2 equals 3 times 2 plus 2 equals 8. Then, E sub 3 equals 3 times 3 plus 2 equals 11. E sub 4 equals 3 times 4 plus 2 equals 14. Dayon, E sub 5 equals 3 times 5 plus 2 equals 17. So, nakuha ba ninyo class? Yes, very good. So, let's proceed the example number 2. So, example number 2. Example number 2, write the first term of E sub n equals 2 times 3 n minus 1. Nara ang solution. Ang given ato kay E sub n equals 2 times 3n to the power of n minus 1. So, E sub 1 equals 2 times 3 sub 11 equals 2. 3 to the power of 2 times 2 equals 2. Then, A sub 2 equals 2 times 3 to the power of 1 sub, to the power of 2 sub 1. Then equals 2 times 3 sub 1 equals 2 times 3 equals 6. Then e sub 3 equals 2 times 3 to the power of 3 minus 1 equals 2 times 3 to the power of 2 equals 2 times 9 equals 18. Then e sub 4 equals 2 times 3 to the power of 4 minus 1 equals 2 times 3 to the power of 4 equals 2 times 81 equals 2 times 27 rather equals 54. A sub 5 equals 2 times 3 to the power of 5 minus 1 equals 2 times 2 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 4 equals 2 times 81 equals 162. Therefore, the first 5 term is 2, 6, 18, 54, and 162. Mauni siya ang first term. Mauni ang example number 2. So, nakuha na ba, class? Yes. Okay, let's proceed the example number 3. Example number 3, solve the question mark. So, ano siya? So, solve the question mark. Number 1. So, makita ba ninyo, class? So, ang solution na po siya yung solution. So, ato lang is solve. So, mali siya. So, 7, then 5, mali siya. Mali siya kanapuan. Kaya kay 7, 5, 2, 14 equals 7. Kaya ato makita din, di ba? Na-address 7, 5, 2, then 14. Mali siya. So, 7 plus 5 plus 2 equals 14. Then, 3, 1, 2, and 6. So, 3 plus 1 plus 2 equals 6. So, 3 plus 1,
4,
plus 2,
6.
So, nakuha na ba ninyo, class? So, dili na po ta, 8, 5, 3, and 16. So, kani siya, mauni ang answer diri, mauna siya. Kani equals 8 plus 5 plus 3 equals 16. So, ang ato biyang pagitaon kay kani naka question mark. Diba, class? Say. So, 6, 2, 4, and kani dahil atong pangitaon. So, equals 6 plus 2 plus 4 equals? 12. Very good. So, the answer is?
12.
Yes. So, nakasabot na ba, class?
Yes.
So, let's proceed the example number 2. So, kana atong ikantong example nga pangitaon na to ang question mark. So, dili na po ta. So, 3 times 710, so 57. Then 3 times 16 equals 48. 4 times 12, 48. Then 4 times 10, 40. Then 8 times Crystalline Andre, mao ang group 2, and Jerry ang mao ang group 3. So, mag-select mo og isa ka representative nga basahon ang inyong answer diri sa front. So, naaway 10 minutes para mo answer. So, magtinabangay mo, class, tabangan ninyo ang inyong kauban. So, time na class. So, kinsa mo una og present diri sa atabangan? So, group 1, atong ataban og panahon ang group 1. A sub 1 equals 2 equals 2 times 1. A sub 2 equals 4 equals 2 times 2. A sub 3 equals 6 equals 2 times 3. A sub 4 equals 8 equals 2 times 4. Oh, so thank you, Annalyn Andor. Takpakan na sa group 1. Then, let's proceed the group 2.
So, morning ang solution. A sub 1 equals 10. How many of my numbers? 10, 50, 150, and 1,150. So, A sub 1 equals 10 equals 2 times 5. Then, equals 2 times 5 with the power of 1. Then, more 10 is the direct, right? 2 times 5 equals 10. So, direct hapon, answer hapon na to. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 1, 5 times 5, lagi 5 times 1 equals 5 times 2, then 10. Then, more than hapon na yung 5, 25 times 2 equals 50. Then, 5 times 5 equals 25 times 2, more than hapon answer 50. Then, 125 times 2 equals 150. More than hapon siya, then 5 times 5 equals 25. 25. Basta more than ang answer daw siya of 150. So, maoning ang answer sa example, okay na. Okay na rin, basta maoning ang answer sa group.
So, now, let's proceed to group 3.
1 is equal to 3. Sa a sub 2 is equal to 7. Kaya 3 plus 4 times 1, 4 times 1 is equal to 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So a sub 3 is 11. Kaya 3 plus 8 equals to 11. 3 times 4, 4 times 2, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Sa a sub 4 po ng 15. 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. Nag-equal 3 plus 4 times 4 times 3 is equal to 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. So a sub 5 is 19. 3 plus 16 is equal to 19. 4 times 4 is equal to 16 plus 3 is equal to 3.
Very good. Okay. So now class, ako pakpakan ang ato ang kaugalingon kay ang tanan nga group ni participate o ang inyong answer is correct tanan. So mauni siya ang answer. So makita nyo na ang answer mo, mauni ang inyong answer class. Then let's proceed the activity number 5. So, word problem. So, ang direction natin, work by group of 5. Read and analyze the problem carefully and answer the question. So, makabalo ko sa answer, ikuan lang inyong kamot no, ipataas. So, number 1, the Greek letter shows as the right has 30 seats in the first row of the center section. Each row behind the first row gains 2 additional seats. So how many seats are in the center section? A 36, B 38, C 40. So what is the answer, class? So anyone? Is letter B, 38. So number 2, nakuha na ba ninyo, class? So number 2, Billy is stacking alphabet blocks in the pattern shown at the right. The number of blocks in each stack represent the term in a sequence. So the question is, which row represent this question? So A, F n equals n plus 2, B, F n equals n, C, F n equals n plus 1, D, F n equals 2n. So, unsa ang answer, class? Yes, Jasper.
Yeah.
Yes, very good. Then let's proceed the number, sa number 2 nga letter B. So, question, in which stack which Billy plays the letter J that at the bottom of the stack? A, 8 stack, B, 9 stack, C, 10 stack, D, 11 stack. What is the answer? Anyone? Yes, Ayan.
See, things up.
Yes, very good, Ayan. So, katong siya nga, at least na ato siya ang rubric. So, katong nag-answer, so na-ato sila dakong agrado sa ako. So, mauni siya ang answer. Mauto ang answer. So, karon, let's proceed. Atong kuan ang atong discussion o nakasabot pa dyan kong class sa ato ang lesson kanong kabuntagon. So, what is the pattern in terms of rule of the sequence? So, anyone? Yes, Annalyn Andoy.
The earth term of an arithmetic sequence is given by 8x equal to 8 plus n minus 1 and 2.
Yes, very good. Clap your hands. Clap. So, the question number 2 is, where can one see patterns and sequence in everyday life? Yes, Ivy.
The brick pattern in a building or home, the patterns in the leaf, and the neighborhood house, color, shape, and size.
Yes, very good. Then, last question is, what is a sequence and pattern? Yes, Crystalline Andoy.
Pattern pattern is useful to predict what came before or what might come after a set.
Yes, very good. So, nalinaw to the so, maog ni siya. Ito inyong ibang answer. So, tama dyan inyong mga answer. Karon, ako ipanghatag sa inyong mga papel kung nakasabot na dyan mo sa ako ang lesson, then kana mag-answer mo. Ako basahan ang choices, then mag-answer mo. So number one, so Natalie, read the question carefully, encircle the letter that corresponding to your answer. Pero inyo lang sulat ang letter mga class. Isulat na ninyo. So number one, the seventh term of the sequence described by the patterns a(n equals 5n minus 8, a 27, b 31, c 35. Umana? Number two, the ninth term of the sequence described by the patterns a(n equals 2 to the power of n minus 5, a 64, b 32, c 16. Number three, the fifth term of the sequence described by the pattern a(n equals 3 to the power of n plus 2n, a 91, b 213, c 253. Number four, the 11th term of the sequence described by the patterns a(n equals n2 to the power of 2 plus 3n, a 130, b 154, c 180. Number five, the next term in the sequence, negative 17, negative 9, negative 11, a 6, b 7, c 8. Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, ako dyan ang tatapan ninyo nga i-change inyong paper kay ato ang i-correct ang inyong answer. So be honest, class, ha? So naara ang answer. I-check na ninyo. So, humana class?
Yes, ma'am.
So, kinsa ang perfect score? So, very good. Kay tanan jud ay naka-perfect no. So, naginaw jud ay sa ako ang discussion. So, atong pakpakan ang atong So, for your assignment, find the first term of the sequence whose general terms is given by en equals 2n minus 2. So, sa balay na ninyo answeran, class. Mauni ang inyong assignment. So, now,